Today I've been asked to talk about a few substances we consume in the form of food or drink, how they affect the intestinal tract, including the liver. Liver is also part of the gastrointestinal system. Hi, I'm Dr. Sarada Pasangulapati. I'm a gastroenterologist at Yashoda Hospitals, Somajiguda. The first one is sugar. So how does the sugar affect the gut? Firstly, a lot of sugar in the gut can cause bacterial overgrowth, and this tends to be true for sugar-free alternatives as well. Too much sugar load in the gut can encourage bad bacteria formation, and when there is an imbalance between the good bacteria and the bad bacteria, one can experience bloating or diarrhea and sometimes crampy abdominal pain. Excess sugar can cause fat in the liver. You'd wonder why. Carbs, when consumed excessively, so carbohydrates when consumed more than required, can also convert into fat and cause fatty liver disease. Next, coming to alcohol. Just like sugar, there's hardly any benefits of alcohol on the digestive tract. How does alcohol affect the digestive tract? First of all, once people consume alcohol, especially hard liquors, there can be excess acid causing abdominal burning and reflux. Then comes to the gut. A very well-known fact is how alcohol acts as a diuretic. That means once people consume alcohol, they visit the toilet more often, urinate more often. But alcohol is a purgative as well, so it increases the bowel frequency as well. And over a long period of time, alcohol causes inflammation of the gut, causes leaky guts, and upsets the balance between the good and bad bacteria. Alcohol contains a lot of sugar, so just like we discussed for sugar, the good bacteria goes down, the bad bacteria goes up, and this imbalance can cause symptoms like bloating, diarrhea, etc. Thirdly, enough can't be said about the bad effects of alcohol on the liver. So initially, alcohol-related liver injury presents itself as fatty liver disease. No symptoms as such, but when one undergoes a scan, they can have fat in the liver. Similarly, liver function tests might show abnormalities. To have symptoms from alcoholic liver disease, one must presume that there has been significant damage to the liver already, more like 60-70%. It can't be quantified easily, but that is a rough gauge. The other organ that alcohol affects significantly in the gastrointestinal system is pancreas. Alcohol injury to pancreas can cause severe pancreatitis, which is a life-threatening condition on its own. Repeated injury due to the alcohol to the pancreas can cause chronic pancreatitis, wherein pancreas shrinks down and it stops making the necessary digestive juices or even insulin. The final substance we're going to talk about is caffeine. Unlike sugar and alcohol, which really do not offer any benefits to the gut, caffeine can actually help your gut. Firstly, caffeine is soothing, especially the way it's consumed, warm water, plus or minus milk and sugar. By the way, the effects of the caffeine go down the minute you add milk and sugar because the other effects of these sugar, etc. So when I talk about caffeine, it's probably black coffee. If it's very strong black coffee, obviously it can cause burning and gastritis. But reasonably dilute coffee acts as a stimulant. It stimulates the gut. So excessive caffeine again stimulates the gut more, and it can cause diarrhea as well. Caffeine especially has a very good characteristic where it restores the balance between the bad and the good bacteria. So the bad goes down, the good improves, unlike the sugar and the alcohol. So this is a very beneficial thing aspect of caffeine. Now, the caffeine effect on the liver has been extensively studied. Liver inflammation improves due to caffeine. Liver stiffness also improves due to caffeine. So when I say caffeine, it's about 2 to 3 cups of black coffee a day.
If you found this video useful, like, comment, and subscribe for more health updates.